Konnichiwa minasan, yokoso. Welcome to Shinyuu Sensei channel. Today we are going to learn the lesson 3 of our Hiragana chapter, and the row we are going to study today is S-row. In S-row we have the Hiragana sa, shi, su, se, so. So let's study together. Ishoni Yoshimashou. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize and write the hiragana characters sa, shi, su, se, so. You will be able to pronounce these characters correctly. We are going to identify some common Japanese words using these characters, and with lots of mnemonics and examples, you are going to have fun learning these hiragana characters. The first hiragana character we are going to learn is sa. The romaji sound is S-A, sa. And for the writing part, let's do it together. Imagine looking at a sad face with a tear, and another way to remember is a samurai sword ready for battle. Some example words and sentences are sakana, fish, sakura, cherry blossom, sayonara, goodbye. Some example sentences are sakana o tabemasu, I eat fish. Sakana, fish, tabemasu, eat. So sakana o tabemasu is I eat fish. In Japanese language, I is not so direct. Suppose I could say like watashi wa sakana o tabemasu, but it doesn't sound so natural. So sakana o tabemasu means that I eat fish. Sakura, cherry blossoms. Kirei, beautiful. Desu ne, aren't they? Here in Japanese language, ne is more like attack questions in English. We are going to learn more about this in our following lessons. Next hiragana character is shi. The romaji sound is S-H-I, shi. And the writing is very simple. For the mnemonics, imagine it looks like a hook for a fish. And it's a very funny thing here. A single, no, not a single, a single stroke, simple and elegant. So basically it is a single stroke which is very simple and elegant. And probably this is the easiest character in hiragana set. Some example words and sentences are shio, salt, shinbun, newspaper, watashi, I or me. Some example sentences are shio o kudasai, please give me salt. Shio, salt. O kudasai, please give me. So shio o kudasai means please give me salt. Watashi wa gakusei desu, I am a student. Watashi, I, gakusei, student. So watashi wa gakusei desu, I am a student. Next hiragana character is su. Romaji sound is S-U, su. The writing is, the su character looks like a fish with a swimming tail. Or you can also imagine a tsunami wave curling. Few example words and sentences are sushi, sushi, suki, like or favorite, suika, watermelon. Example sentences are sushi, sushi, daisuki, I love, suika, watermelon, tabemashou, let's eat. So sushi ga daisuki desu, I love sushi. Suika o tabemashou, let's eat watermelon. Next hiragana character is se. The romaji sound is S-E, se. And the writing part is, The character say looks like a seagull flying high, or the most appropriate mnemonic is a set of stairs leading up. Example words are sensei, teacher, sekai, world, semi, narrow. Example sentences are sensei, teacher, yasashi, kind. So, sensei wa yasashi desu. The teacher is kind. Sekai, the world, hiroi, wide. So, sekai wa hiroi. The world is wide. The last hiragana character of today is so. The romaji sound is S-O, so. The writing is, the character so looks like a sewing machine with thread. And also you can imagine a bowl of soba noodles. Example words of so are sora, sky, soko, there, soto, outside. Example sentences are sora, sky, kirei, beautiful. So, sora ga kirei desu. The sky is beautiful. Soko, there. Tomatte, stop. Kudasai, please. So, soko ni tomatte kudasai. Please stop there. Let's do a quick review of the hiragana characters that we have learned today. The character sa, romaji sound sa. Example word is sakana, meaning is fish. Next character is shi, romaji sound is shi. Example word is shio, meaning is salt. Next character is su, romaji sound su. Example word is sushi, meaning is sushi. Next one is se, the romaji sound is se. Example word is sensei, meaning is teacher. Last character is so, romaji sound is so, so. Example word is sora, meaning is sky. Let's do interactive quiz together. Which hiragana character represents the sound sa? The answer is number B, sa. What is the romaji reading for the hiragana character shi? Answer is number C, shi. Which Japanese word means sushi? Answer is number B, sushi. Identify the hiragana word for teacher, sensei. The answer is number B, sensei. Which hiragana character represents the sound so? The answer is number D, so. Congratulations, Minasan. I know you have done really great in this test. Please write down your score on our comment box so we can celebrate each other. Well done, everybody. I know you did a fantastic job following today's video. Thank you so much for staying with us and learning today's lesson. Please support us by liking and subscribing to our channels. Also, please write comments and let us know if you want any other video. I hope to see you next time. Ja ne, mata ne.